Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account instantly. Let's dive right in. Now, first off, I'd like to explain this is a fairly simple process and it is not difficult whatsoever. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to log into your PayPal account, of course. Secondly, the most important step would be to link your bank account to your PayPal. In order to do this, you will first need to go ahead and click on your wallet. Then find the option Add a card or bank account. Choose Add a bank account. Enter either your account number or a code provided by your account. Confirm your information and click Agree and Add. Now, once you've done that, you have your bank account available on your PayPal. Second step would be to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. This is a simple process. All you need to do is click on Wallet, click Transfer Money, choose Transfer to your bank option, select the appropriate bank account, and then click Continue. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and then click Next. And last but not least, go ahead and click Transfer Now. Now, once you've done this, the money should be transferred from your PayPal to your bank account. Now, keep in mind, this can take up to 1 to 2 business days, but essentially, this is a very quick process. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.